What's going on YouTube? I believe the last video I made was pretty close to this time last year, right before COVID hit. I'm a little rusty and I haven't done much of recording or just about anything related to fitness. I was getting pretty bored, honestly. At this point, the only thing you guys can't really do is social media. Well, today is actually what? Let's check. So today is Saturday, February 27th. Last video I made was probably around this time. The point of this video is just to give a little update on what's going on. Obviously, because it is fitness related, I wanted to do a little physique update and kind of clue you guys in on what's been going on. COVID has been a thing for quite some time now. After that last video that I had, I really didn't take fitness serious. I kind of let it be. I thought it was pretty cool at the beginning because it almost gave me a break from everything, life, world in general, just to do things on my own. I've always been pretty independent and I enjoy my free time, but after some time, obviously that can get a little bit too much, and we're social beings, as just about anyone here. It also affected me, and I'm like, all right, I gotta break out and start doing things as we normally had been doing before. I would say close to 4 months of no working out. I slowly tried to get back into it, and I actually went back to a gym and then worked out for probably a month and then was like, all right, I'm good. Just because it's so tough to get back into it, and work itself had been so crazy. I am in HR, being in a small company. We don't have a large HR department, so with COVID, it was a nightmare. I feel like just every organization, company was probably feeling the same. I think ours was just a little magnified because it was our peak, just season-wise, and with COVID, it compounded that. I actually never stopped working, which I'm very thankful for. It kept me sane. I kept seeing some people and kept that social aspect to a degree. I really did enjoy that side of things, but it was very, very busy. Not complaining, but it was intense, draining, and after work I didn't want to do anything else but just relax and rest up for the following day. So it's been like that since honestly the get-go of COVID, and it's still a thing. It's so difficult to manage everything. That was my main priority. I was trying to just do my best at my work and focused on that because I knew that's where I needed to be. Life happens and things like this occur, and it's just figuring out that life or work-life balance to make the best out of it. So I think now, coming to the slower season of our business, I can finally focus on my fitness again. I wanted to, like I said, give a little update on where I'm at as far as my physique, and I wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna have for breakfast. Let's go to the physique. All right, so I am not too excited to be here because I've been here too long and it's like starting from scratch. So I'm actually 162 pounds now. No, rephrase that. I had measured myself or weighed myself this morning. I'm at 163.6. Right before this, I was at like 173, so solid 10 pounds. Not too happy, but you know, this is being honest and where I'm at right now. Very, very slim and not where I want to be. But I always do this too, because I'm gonna go into a lean bulk phase. I mean, still, you know, definition is still there. I'm not saying it's bad. Normally what I do is, I don't know if you guys can see. Normally what I do too, prior to a lean bulk phase, is I try to slim down as much as possible, because even though you are at a lower weight, your body composition is different. Let's see, we'll get this back up. I was pretty light, but my body comp is a lot different. I know I stored a little bit more fat, even though I was at a low body weight in general. Did a little bit of cardio and got down to the 162. So that is where I'm at right now with my physique, and I will be training today. I am doing a program that I had started last year, but kind of didn't finish because of everything. And I am pretty excited to do that and focus on, gaining some weight and size. Now let's talk about the food. I should have showed you guys this prior to me mixing everything, but I thought about the video after the fact. I'm making some waffles, but I added 1 serving of this. I added a serving and a half of, come on, focus. Serving of this, serving and a half, I'm sorry, of the waffle mix. I do half a serving of actual nuts, and right now I'm doing the pecans, and then I do the other half of peanut butter so I can spear on top of that. And then the go-to right now is the chocolate cereal milk. Vegan, whoa, let's see. So these are pretty solid, I like them. They're very sweet. I try to only do this for my waffles, not my shakes, because it's way too sweet for me. And then I do something different for my shakes, and then obviously you can't go wrong with the Walden Farms here. And then this is the peanut butter that I use. Gotta have some oats as well. I just put it all together, and I forgot to mention I did put some cinnamon in there. But that's what I do. Oh, so I measured these out, and what I do is look at this. Game changer. The best thing on earth. So, all right, I can't do this with one hand. And then I have the mighty, I don't even know what this one is called. Jesus Christ. There you go. Whoa, sorry. So I'll be putting it in this bad boy, let it do its thing. Show you guys the finished product, and I'll let you know what the macros are on that. Alrighty, let's plop this bad boy over here. Okay, so I totally forgot to mention this too. Because I don't put any, well, much toppings on the waffle, as you guys can see here. It's just the peanut butter I put on there and then the syrup. I end up making a shake or a little smoothie as well. So these are just frozen bananas that I popped in there that were getting bad. Anytime your bananas are getting bad, just put them in the freezer. See some blueberries and some strawberries. So I'm gonna make a simple shake with that. Just add some cinnamon, a little bit of water, and that should be it. Just to help out with this bad boy here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's what it is. So this is how you make your candlelit breakfast. I like to make mine pretty thick on there. Sometimes I even pour some on top of here when I'm feeling crazy. But that's how it is. We'll have some more cinnamon, and I got my multivitamins up there. Actually, not multivitamins, just vitamins. And that will be, oh shit. That's the macros for the breakfast. So 111 carbs, 21 fat, 44, I'm sorry, for protein. I'm trying to do this through the screen. So 780 for this morning, not too bad. Let's see, I'll just go through it so you guys can see it. I put down. There we go, all set. So that was the video for today. I did include the macros for this meal. I will continue to make these videos related, again, to fitness and some vegan meals that possibly you guys can incorporate to your diet. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.